Students, today the class of solution in which we study about what is solution, the types of solution, expression of concentration of solutions and solubility. The chapter of solution can be divided into three topics. Topic first, in which we study about solution, expression and solubility. In topic first, this class of solution is most beneficial for the intermediate 12th students, class of 9th students, and very important for those students who are aspirant of JEE Mains and NEET. This class helps them to revise this chapter of solution. Today the class solution, in which we study about what is solution. It is a homologous mixture of two or more pure substance is known as solution. According to the constitution of solution, it can be binary solution, ternary solution and quaternary solution, and there so on. Now I am expressed about the solution, and in the class of solution we first study about the constituents of the solution. There are two constituents of the solution. One is solute and other is solvent. Solvents. Now come to the definition of solute. Means, what is the solute? A substance that is dissolve another substance in larger amount as a solvent, forming a solution, is called solute. Solute means the substance that soluble in solvent is called solute, just as sugar and salt, chini or namak. That is the solute, it is soluble in the solvent. Another, the solvent. What is the solvent? Solvent is also a substance which dissolve in a large amount of another substance, forming a solution, is called solvent. Example: water, alcohol, ether, phenol and etc. The example of solute is salt and sugar. कहा जाता है कि वैसे सब्सटेंस सॉल्यूट कहे जाते हैं जो पानी में, अल्कोहल में, ईथर में या फिनॉल में घुलकर एक सॉल्यूशन को तैयार करता है, that is called solute, and the solvent is those substance which soluble the solute in a large amount to form a solution that is called water, alcohol, ether and phenol. It सॉल्वेंट सॉल्यूशन का एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स है जो सॉल्यूट को घुलाकर एक सॉल्यूशन का तैयार करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सॉल्वेंट, दैट इज वाटर, अल्कोहल, ईथर एंड फिनॉल. नाउ द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. There are many types of solution. Solid to solid. Solid to solid means the solute is also solid and solvent is also solid. That is, both solute and solvent are solid and their products, the solution, made solution is also solid, like olei, as two solid substance, brass and bronze. Brass and bronze. This is the solid to solid, solid to liquid. Liquid. Solvent is solid where solute is liquid where solvent is solid to liquid solution in which solute is solid where solvent is liquid, as salt, water, sugar, water, this. Urea, water and their so on. Liquid to solid. A solution of liquid to solid where solute is liquid and solvent is solid. What is this? This is the sublimation process. The example of liquid and solid, it is obtained by the sublimation of a substance like iodine, camphor, that is the water and also it mixed with air, dust and so on. Liquid to solid, water, camphor, water, ice, and so on. Gas to gas. Gas to gas. Solute and solvent both are gas, means N2O2 that produce oxide of nitrogen and also N2H2 that produce ammonia gas and so on. Now we have to study about aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. Those solution that containing water as solvent is known as aqueous solution. For example, the solution of sugar and the solution of salt, and many of drinking materials that is available in market, just as Coca-Cola, Fanta, Thumbs Up and etc. are the aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous solution. A solution containing solvent other than water is called non-aqueous solution. वैसे सॉल्यूशन जिसका सॉल्वेंट पानी के अलावा कोई दूसरा लिक्विड पदार्थ हो, तो ऐसे सॉल्यूशन को हम नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आयोडीन, अल्कोहल एंड ईथर. आयोडीन, alcohol and ether are the solution, but in absence of H2O. This is called non-aqueous solution. Without water is the non-aqueous solution. Saturated solution. Saturated solution, the solution in which no more amount of solute can be dissolved at the same temperature is called saturated solution. In this solution, solute amount is larger. So the solution is said to be saturated solution. Again, the solution in which solutes are present in larger amount at a constant temperature is called saturated solution. Unsaturated solution. Those solution in which the maximum amount of solute is dissolved in the same temperature or a constant temperature is called unsaturated solution. You have to already distinguish between the saturated and unsaturated. Saturated is those solution in which solute is in lesser state amount, and unsaturated is those solution in which solute is maximum at the same temperature is called unsaturated solution. For the example, a glass of fresh water mixed with a teaspoonful of sugar. The solution is said to be saturated then 4 teaspoonfuls of sugar is dissolved in same amount of solvent, then this solution is unsaturated than the 1 teaspoonfuls of sugar solution. Now, solubility. Solubility. Solubility can be defined as the maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent to form a saturated solution is called solubility of the solvent. Solvent is about 100 gram and solute is maximum in amount, therefore the solution forming solution is called the solubility of the solute. Means solubility is the process of making a solution in which maximum amount of solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent, which is known as solubility of a solution. In solubility, the made solution is saturated at a given temperature. Now, I am discussing about the topic 1 in which we study what are the cause of solubility and what are the deciding factor of solubility and hydration of energy. After that, I am coming to study about concentration of solution. Concentration of solution that can be we have to read in next class at the same times, but I request you to kindly like this video class, share it, and also subscribe it if the plan of solution are derived better for you. Then you must like and subscribe as first this solution chapter in topic 1. Next day I am also coming for the topic first. After that there another topic.